Most data centers have some kind of monitoring system in place. You might have modules that can track environmental data like a DL data logger, or you might have something that measures your power consumption like a PM power meter. And these tools are great, but there's one major problem. Monitoring alone can't solve problems. It only tells you that a problem exists. Let me explain. If a rack starts to overheat, your logger would catch it. If a circuit starts drawing too much power, your power meter might detect it. But what happens next? Well, usually someone gets an alert, opens a dashboard, then manually makes an adjustment. But here's the issue with that system. It's 100% reliant on humans. Sure, you might see the alert and make the changes necessary to fix the problem, but what happens if you miss it? What if it's 2 a.m. and nobody's watching the dashboard? What if the person who gets the alert doesn't have remote access or isn't on site? You can see where I'm going with this. That's the major flaw with most monitoring systems today. They're reactive. We see these small issues continuously turn into downtime, wasted energy, and even equipment damage. So how do we turn a system from reactive to proactive? Well, luckily there's an easy solution, a little device called a WISE controller. The WISE controller is essentially the brain of your data center's monitoring system. It takes the data coming in from your DL data loggers, your PM power meters, and other sensors across your facility, and uses that information to make automatic, real-time decisions, erasing the need to rely on manual adjustments. Now, of course, you could still make manual adjustments if needed, but this way you're at least guaranteeing nothing will be accidentally missed. So instead of reacting to problems after they've already cost time and money, the WISE controller makes the system proactive, responding instantly. The WISE controller is part of what we call the golden standard in data center monitoring, and the last piece of the puzzle in our data center solution series, ensuring your facility won't have to worry about inefficiencies or downtime costing the facility money. The golden standard includes 3 powerful devices: a DL data logger, a PM power meter, and a WISE controller. Now, I'm not going to go too deep into the data logger or PM power meter since we already made entire videos going over both of these devices. So I really recommend that you go and watch those videos, then come back to this one, as it'll give you the full picture and understanding the complete monitoring and automation process. All right, so now that we understand what the WISE controller does conceptually, let's dive a little deeper and talk about what's actually happening under the hood. Because while it's easy to think of WISE as just a smart automation box, it's actually an incredibly powerful modular controller designed to handle complex industrial environments. At its core, the WISE controller functions as a standalone logic controller that combines data acquisition, control, and communication all into one compact device. Each unit features a 32-bit CPU for fast logic processing, built-in flash memory for data and event logging, Ethernet ports, and serial ports for flexible connectivity. Now, depending on the model, like the WISE 5231 or the WISE 2241, you can choose between Modbus RTU, Modbus TCP, MQTT, SNMP, and RESTful API support. That means that you can talk to nearly any device on your network, whether it's a DL100 data logger, PM3000 series power meter, or a legacy RS485 sensor. You can also configure up to 128 I/O channels per controller with combinations of analog inputs, digital outputs, and counters and timers. And for communication, it can support RS485, RS232, and Ethernet-based Modbus TCP, letting it bridge both new and legacy systems without rewiring. And lastly, it also supports real-time data logging with up to 100,000 records stored locally, complete with timestamps, meaning even if your network goes down, you won't lose any data. Now, to make this easier to visualize, let's pull up a quick animation so you can see exactly how everything connects. On one end, you have your DL data loggers capturing temperature, humidity, and airflow data at the rack level. Then you have your PM power meters tracking power consumption, load, and power factor across your circuits. Both of these send their real-time readings to the WISE controller over Modbus RTU or Modbus TCP, depending on the setup. The WISE controller then takes all of that data, processes it through your if-then logic, and issues commands automatically. Things like turning on cooling fans, opening dampers, or sending alerts. And finally, the WISE pushes data to your SCADA, BMS, or cloud dashboard using MQTT or RESTful APIs so you can view it remotely from anywhere. So essentially, it's the central brain connecting sensors, power meters, actuators, and dashboards all in one closed loop system. What makes WISE really stand out is its web-based rule engine. Through the built-in web interface, you can log in from any browser, no software installation needed, and build logic visually. Each rule follows a simple structure. If condition, then action, else fallback. And you can layer multiple conditions like if rack temperature is greater than 85 Fahrenheit and humidity less than 30%, then activate cooling plus log event plus send email alert. The logic runs in real time. We're talking millisecond level processing, so responses are pretty much instant. You can also schedule tasks and trigger remote Modbus devices directly, all through the same interface. And for safety critical systems, Wise supports redundant communication and watchdog protection, ensuring your logic always runs even during interruptions. Now, let's look at what this means for your data center in practice. When paired with a DL logger and PM power meter, Wise can optimize cooling efficiency by dynamically adjusting airflow, automatically balance power loads across circuits, log data for compliance reporting, and notify your team before a small issue becomes downtime. So that's the Wise controller, the automation layer that ties everything together. It's what transforms a monitored system into a self-correcting facility, one that sees problems, solves them, and logs them all automatically. Combined with the DL loggers and PM meters, it completes the golden standard of data center monitoring: visibility, insight, and control. If you haven't seen the previous videos in this series, I highly recommend checking those out next. Together, they'll be able to give you the full roadmap to reducing downtime, cutting waste, and modernizing your infrastructure without starting from scratch. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss what's coming next.